All right, fifth grade, we have finding the least common multiple of two numbers. So, breaking this down, least, that means like smallest. Common, that means same. And multiple would be a multiple of a number. So let's start with like 2 and the number 3. All right, if I want to find the least, the smallest, common, that's the same, multiple of those two numbers, I have two steps. Step 1, list out the multiples. So I'm going to list out multiples of 2. I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I could keep going on and on if I wanted to. And then I have the multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so step 1, list out the multiples. Step 2, find the smallest one they have in common. So if I look, no, they don't have that in common. Oh, let's see, 6. Does that have a 6? Yes, it does. So 6 would be the least common multiple between 2 and 3. All right, find the least common multiple of 6 and 8. So you can try this on your own if you want. You have two steps. Step 1, list out the multiples. So I have 6, I have 8, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. I'll stop there. 8, 16, 24. Oh, there it is. 24 would be the smallest number that they both have in common. 24, least common multiple. All right, let's try one more. Let's try one that's a little more difficult here. Let's do, instead of 6 and 8, let's, oops. Instead of 6 and 8, let's try 7 and 5. 7 and 5. So if I listed it out, I have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. Okay, I'll stop there. Then I have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Do I have anything in common? Yes. I do not. 35. All right, 35 then are my two smallest numbers that those have in common, the least common multiple. Now be careful, because when you multiply two numbers together, like 7 and 5, sometimes that is the least common multiple of the two, but sometimes it is not. So when asked to find the least common multiple, don't just multiply them together. That will be a common multiple if you do that, but it might not be the least common multiple. All right, here is your assignment to find least common multiples. Lesson practice is part of that assignment. Blessings on your day.